Hello everyone and welcome to this video on the BBE exam simulations. My name is Nicolas. I'm the founder of BBE Insider and started this project 3 years ago, back when I started my bachelor's degree in business and economics at WU Vienna. And yeah, back then I was looking for something like that, so I figured why not just build it. And this is why we'll talk about this right now. We will talk about the two mock exams, the exam simulations, whatever you would like to call them. Basically, the whole idea behind that is that we want to provide you with some insights on what to expect on the actual exam day. In the past years, WU has provided mock exams on the Wiseflow platform, which allowed you to familiarize yourself a little bit with the format and sometimes even with the difficulty of the exam, but there is no such thing this year. And what we want to make sure is that you know exactly what to expect when you sit the exam and there are no surprises. And therefore, I will show you everything that you get from the exam simulations, what it helps you with, and how you can adjust your preparation with the insights you gain by making these exam simulations. So, first of all, obviously, you will figure out what the exam looks like. Yes, it's on paper, but you will be provided with all the instructions on how to simulate as if it was on paper in the introduction section. Ours is of course digitally, so you can take it whenever you want, and you can also just tick the boxes here on your laptop. I mean, not that big of a difference if you tick it on a piece of paper or here on the website. So yeah, benefit, you will get your scores immediately. Which means you take the exam simulation here, you tick some boxes for 2 hours, and then you will get your score. You will get a detailed analysis on how you performed in every single topic, and this way you can figure out your weak spots and start working on them. And therefore it's very important not to wait until the very last minute, until you do the mock exam, but to take it as soon as possible and then to channel your focus towards your weak spots and make sure you improve in them, because this is the best way to make sure you actually improve your score during the entrance exam. Please don't wait until the last minute, don't wait until the weekend before the exam, do the exam simulation as soon as possible, and I will now show you how it looks like. So basically we will go with the mock exam pro insights, and in this course, we will start with a detailed instruction on everything you need to know about the application process, general things about the exam, some other things that are nice to know about WU Vienna, but this is really not the main thing. The main thing is the exam simulations, and what you can see here is that as of today, we have 5 different mock exams. Every one of them you can basically start right now. And what this means is it's as easy as clicking 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons. Of course, you could also read the instructions, but you should. But it's that easy. So you don't need to drive anywhere to take an exam in paper, waste like 1 or 2 hours and then drive back home, wait a week for your results. No, everything is at your fingertips. And here what you see is the exam platform. This one is digitally, yes, the real exam is in pen and paper, but it really doesn't matter whether you tick boxes here with your mouse or tick them on a piece of paper. The format in that sense is similar, and this is what you can expect during the actual entrance exam as well. So let's assume I will go through all of these examples, and then once we have finished, we can immediately, right now, as soon as we submit the button, see our results, see how we have scored. So what you get here is a detailed analysis on your score in every single topic. You can see how you have performed relative to other test takers in every single mock exam. And this is one of the most interesting charts. People always ask how many % do I need to get to have good chances of being accepted. Well, it differs between exams, between grading schemes, and the only thing that shows a very trustworthy comparison is how you perform relative to others and in which percentile you landed in. I'm in the 51 percentile, meaning that I'm better than approximately 51% of other test takers, which obviously wouldn't be good enough for the BBE entrance exam, but yeah, here you can figure that out. You don't just take this exam simulation to see how you have performed relative to others, but also to improve yourself. Here we have detailed analysis on how you have performed in every single task. And what is very obvious here is that the person that took this exam scored perfectly in economics, or almost perfectly in English, but had some struggles with mathematics. And here what we can do is for every single task we go and click on the task, and here we can see the grading mechanism applied. Basically, this is the same partial points grading system with negative points like on the entrance exam. What's really helpful is the step-by-step solutions. In case you don't know why you answered some of these statements incorrectly, you have the step-by-step solutions walking you through the explanations of every single statement in all mock exams. This is where you can learn on how to improve. Going back to the overview, we can also see how you scored in every single topic, such that you actually know, okay, what do I need to improve on? Finally, we have the time spent per task, which is crucial to understand how long you took for a specific part, whether you got stuck in a specific task, and this way you can optimize your time management. Time flies during these 2 hours in the exam simulation, and you should definitely know how much time to take in all of these 3 parts, such that you don't run out of time in the end like this person did. Now it's your time. Go ahead and start doing the BBE exam simulation. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, and if not, now is the time to start your very first BBE exam simulation.